Trump hates you. Donald Trump hates you Mexicans. The white man hates you Puerto Ricans. The white man hates you Dominicans. He hates you Haitians. They hate us because we are the chosen people of God, man.
ISUPK.
And the white men have divided black Hispanics and Native Indians. We have been divided. That's why we hate one another, man.
Right?
Dominicans cannot stand Puerto Ricans. What is that? Haitians cannot stand Jamaican. What is that? Not in the ISUPK, man. In the ISUPK, you're going to see a Haitians and Dominican stand right next to each other. Like you are seeing right now. Like you are seeing right now, man. A so-called Dominican and a Haitian side by side, man. Because that's what the Bible says. The Bible says black, Hispanics, and Native Indians, gather yourself together. Because Donald Trump hates you. Donald Trump hates you Mexicans. The white man hates you Puerto Ricans. The white man hates you Dominicans. He hates you Haitians. They hate us. Because we are the chosen people of God, man.
ISUPK.
Nèg lan wè pou vin tire m'da wal tire monsieur. Mais moi là, premier bail qui vient dans tête moi, mais bon m'dou. M'songe papa me te montrer mon petit somme. L'Éternel est mon berger, je ne manquerai de rien. Lord, nèg Port-au-Prince, Jacques-Mel, Jérémie, relax. La douche. Bon Dieu, voyons un message pour Haïti, Miami, le monde entier, Canada. But bad boy, tendez. Sous les oreilles tendez, sous les bouches parlez. Si et pas ça, pays en liva coulé. Quand couillon bateau qui plein réfugié. Sinon, va chercher, bon Dieu.